gentlemen, fellow traders. Today is Sunday, 10th of January 2021 and the time is 10:12 a.m. Welcome to our BBMA weekly analysis for the trading week of 11 to 15 January 2021. Let's get started. We always start with review our BBMA setup SOP. We trade with 4 time frame, weekly, daily, H4 and H1. Our entry will be on H4. Our risk will be 2% per trade. And we only trade USD major pair. We use TradingView for our trade automation using our custom indicator. For the last week, we have no trade taken, although we have all the alerts set up. We did not take any trade, so our account growth was 0%. So the reason why we don't have trade is because we only have our trading signal on Friday night, which is very late. And on Friday night, our time zone, we are having the USD NFP, so it's really not a good time to trade. Plus, usually we do not take any trade on Friday night. Okay, so let's look at this week trade setup. For that, we go to TradingView. Alright, as usual, we will start with the XY. Okay, the XY is the USD currency index, so that will tell us the strength of the USD currency against other currency in the market. So as we can see here, after the NFP last week, USD make a rejection to the low BB here, and for us this is the re-entry buy setup. Dropping to daily, we can see that price is making a CSAA or almost CSAK over here. I think it would probably be we can safely say this is a CSAK. Okay, so a bullish momentum for USD. And on H4, we can see price has make CSAK buy, and it already closed above the EMA 50, and over here it make a re-entry buy and also continue to move up to make a high here. So next week we gonna expect a minor pullback on the H4, and it will continue to move up. However, what we really want to see is the strength of this trend, but as for now we did not see any strength because all the upward candle we did not see it close above the top BB. So for that we want to see a CSAK buy on the XY H4. So as usual, we will set our alerts CSM buy at H4, and we don't have to as you can see here, the EMA 50 is already below the current price, so we don't have to worry about that. We just need to wait for CSM buy in H4 to form. Okay, next pair, Euro USD. If if the DXY is strong, we expect Euro USD will be a sell setup. So that's what we expect to see over here. As you can see on the weekly time frame, price has made an extreme sell. Okay, and here is a re-entry. This is a re-entry sell setup for us, Euro USD. On daily time frame, we want to see continue support for the downtrend. So this one it actually pinched through the mid BB, but it did not close below the mid BB, so this is a CSAA sell. Okay, H4, however, we already make a CSM sell. Yeah, this is a CSM sell, and this one did not close outside the BB but right at the BB. So this is what we expect, because this is already the CSM sell already happened. We expect it to make a pullback, maybe to around here, to give us our entry and continue to move down. So that will give us the instant sell on H4 time frame. So you can take aggressive entry from the EMA 50, or you can take the conservative from the mid BB. So you can take here, and this is your entry, and place your stop above this candle, because if you break this previous high, it will continue to move up. Okay, so that's for Euro USD instant buy, instant sell, sorry. And next pair is AUD USD. Okay, AUD USD, as you can see here, candlestick close outside the Bollinger Band, so the upward movement is still very strong with AUD USD. However, we still look for sell because we trade based on our setup SOP. This will give us re-entry sell setup, and we want to confirm that in lower time frame. On daily, we can see it make a extreme sell. H4, it make a CSAK sell, pull up back, make a re-entry sell, and now is making a CSAK sell again. However, you have to be very cautious. If you want to sell on H4, the setup is not yet valid, because number one, we don't have the candle close below the low BB to make a CSM sell. Secondly, the EMA is below the current price. There's still a possibility that this price will continue to bounce up. So for that, we want to set the alert, so that we wait for CSM sell at H4, and also make sure that at that time the price is below the EMA 50. That will be a strong downtrend confirmation for us for our sell. Okay, and next pair, USD Jpy. USD Jpy on weekly, the connection is a little bit slow, but it's okay. So USD Jpy move really early compared to other pair because it's directly impacted by the NFP last week. As you can see here, it already make a buy setup, and now is at the re-entry sell. So at this point of time, it'd be risky for you to buy because it possibly will retrace back down here. Okay, but it's also risky to sell because price is already high here, right? So what we want to do is we trade based on the SOP. This is re-entry sell setup. However, we want to see the confirmation on the lower time frame. So re-entry sell setup, weekly time frame. On daily, however, we can see price has not make any good sell setup. This is a CSAK buy, but we can take, if you want to look for sell setup, this is a MHV sell. Okay, and then on H4, at this point of time, it's making a MHV sell as well. We really want to look for CSM sell to form before we can take a sell. Because if USD currency is gaining strength, this will continue to move up. But if we reverse, that's where we're gonna take our sell. Okay, so like I said, we cannot buy because the price is already high, and we cannot sell because there's no confirmation for sell. All right, that's USD JPY. Next is GBP USD. Okay, GBP USD on the weekly time frame. Based on our setup, this is re-entry sell because USD currency index is gaining strength. So this is a re-entry sell. On daily time frame, we can see wow, it's really slow. This is MHV sell. Okay, so there's no candle close below the mid BB. On H4, we can see, okay, on H4 there's a CSM sell here, and price come back up and make a MHV sell, because re-entry sell, sorry, because it does not close above the top BB. So in this case, as you can see, this sell is already valid, right? So by right, we should have entered last week, but it's already, like I say, it's already late when the signal came. So that's where we have to use a judgment. But as per my SOP, I did not enter any trade on Friday. So in this current situation, this will be the entry zone from here to here, or you can be aggressive and enter from the EMA 50 to here, and make sure your stop is above this candle, because if we break the high of this candle, gonna continue to move up. Okay, so GBP USD, we're gonna have our instant entry at this zone. Okay, next pair is USD Cad. Both USD and CAD have news last Friday during the NFP. So we can see here on USD CAD, it's a little bit anti-deterministic, but this is still a re-entry buy setup for us. Okay, on daily time frame, this look like a MHV buy. Yes, MHV buy. H4. Okay, so for H4, this is tricky because price actually make a CSAK buy, come back, make a re-entry buy, and now it come up here and make a CSAK buy, and then it come back here to make a re-entry buy. So actually what we want to see is this candle close above the top BB and also past the mid BB, I mean the EMA 50. So just put an alert for that. CSM buy, CSM buy at H4, and make sure it's above the EMA 50. Then we can take the pullback to continue to move up. Alright, next pair is USD Chf. For USD Chf on weekly time frame, we can see price is at our entry buy zone. Okay, because USD is strong, right? And at daily time frame, come on, daily is making a CSAK buy. Yeah, then this is a bullish engulfing. So you know, if you know candlestick pattern, bullish engulfing mean a really strong movement, and actually this is extreme buy setup. Yeah. And on H4, what we want to see is we want to see a momentum buy. Okay, there's already a momentum buy, and unfortunately it looks like we are late. This is the entry opportunity for us, but it's okay. We still can try to take the entry here just in case it retrace, and probably you can take it up to here and put your stop below this previous low. Okay, so this is our entry zone, this will be our stop level. Okay, so USD Chf, we're gonna instant entry on H4 time frame. And the last pair, Nzd USD. Nzd USD weekly time frame, let's see. Okay, Nzd USD weekly time frame, it's close right at the top BB. This is still a re-entry sell. We want to try to sell. Like I said last week, we been trying to sell Nzd USD since November last year, and every week it keep going up except for this week. And I think this week it gave us a loss. Past 2 weeks. Okay, on daily. Okay, daily making a MHV sell, H4. H4 is very exciting, CSAK sell. Yeah, but we're not gonna get tricked with that. until we see a CSM sell. Then we consider our sell at H4 and also below EMA 50. Okay, that's the analysis for this week. Very simple, like last week. So for this week, we're gonna be able to instant sell on EU. We're also gonna be able to instant sell on GU, but it's advisable to take half of the risk on this trade, and also UCHF. So these three pair we can instant sell for this week. The rest, sorry, H1 is resell here. Sorry. And we're gonna set alert for CSM sell at the H4 time frame. Okay, so this is our simple tab plan for this week. I wish you all a profitable trading week. Stay safe and manage your account. Do not over leverage your trade, and till we meet again next week. Bye bye.